Hi, Casey Mraz here from Juris Digital, and today I'm going to be talking about a underutilized tactic for getting links, earning links, and that's free cab rides or events for link building. So if you've ever hosted an event like an open house or a class, a legal class, and you use that as a part of your method for generating new leads and getting new clients, this is a perfect opportunity for you. If you don't, in your personal injury law firm, for example, the cab ride program might be the one for you. And basically the benefits of this link building program are these are hyper local links. They're going to come from local news sources. They're easy to get links. They're things that your competitors don't have. They're hard to replicate except until after the fact. And it's kind of low participation on your point, and you can limit at least on the free cab ride, how many free cab rides you're willing to reimburse, so you know what that budget is going to be. And ultimately, it's a brand building exercise because your law firm looks like the good guy. And you get free press with a little bit of work. And it's really about doing it the right way. But specifically today, I'm going to be talking about using this for the holidays. So that would be New Year's Eve, or maybe it's Super Bowl, not a holiday, but an event, Super Bowl Sunday. And in this scenario, what the law firm would do is they would put a page on their website and they would say, hey, we're going to reimburse X amount of people if they follow these instructions and send us their Uber or Lyft or cab ride receipt. Seems easy enough, right? And then after the event, you actually do reimburse those people who send the supporting documentation. And typically law firms do this as a way to really give back to the community and help people, which is really awesome. But the side impact of that is that you are going to earn links. So really how this process works is this. First, you set up the campaign and you do limit those entries if you want to. The ones that don't limit the entries are the ones that are going to spend more but probably get a lot more PR out of it, whether as opposed to hosting 100 or 200 or 300. And typically the engagement rate is around 30%. So if you sell 1,000 tickets, or not sell, give away 1,000 tickets, you could expect at least 300 people to actually claim that reimbursement. And again, you set those stipulations. How much is that cab ride? What are the instructions? What do they have to do? And usually, for some reason, participation is shockingly low. And some firms add barriers to entry. I don't like that because who's going to send a U.S. mail letter these days? So that's kind of stupid. And then it's not really helping your brand. Whereas people get really happy if they do get this and get to take advantage of this program. So second, you can create an opt-in page on the website, and that's the page that you're going to earn these links to typically. Some people, for example, if you're a multi-location law firm running this in different cities, you could do the work, host it in different cities, and then have that information for that particular city-based campaign on that local landing page. Might be a good way to earn links. Who knows? You can also write a press release. People will say that's blasphemy, and I've had a lot of success, writing press releases for these campaigns because I also use that as a tool to pitch to local news media, which is the part after this, okay? First of all, you want to create the listing on your website, and then you want to pitch it. So local news stations, maybe local newspapers, tip lines, and a pro tip for you is just look for people who are already creating content around the holiday, events in this city around such a holiday. If you Google that, you're going to find tons of resources where you can pitch to and say, hey, would you mind mentioning my event? Because we're also something that's happening in the city at that time. But there's other ways to earn these links too, and that is, drumroll, just submitting them. Simply looking or Googling for event link building and learning that process is pretty simple, but city name plus the word submit event, for example, and you can find places that you can submit your event to that might go live instantly. It's not like those links are the most powerful because everybody's getting them, but they're a segue to, and they're all part of this program, and every little bit helps. So it's easy to generate literally hundreds of links by running these campaigns over time.